How to deactivate Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate Instagram account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, what you can do is you can just tap on the account center. And here, once you're inside the account center, simply scroll down and there you can just tap on manage accounts. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply select the account that you want to deactivate by tapping on Manage beside that particular account name. And after that, on the next section, you just have to tap on Deactivation or Deletion. And here, once you tap on it, on the next page, just select Deactivate account and tap on Continue. And after that, on the next page, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down and tap on Continue. And after that, you simply have to enter the password, and after that you just have to select a reason for your deactivation, and after that you can just tap on deactivate account to confirm. And with that, to reactivate your account, you can just log back in anytime and everything will be restored. And that's it. That's how you can deactivate your Instagram account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.